Another day, another tambay. Kulot na tambay back. So for this video, meron tayong papasyalan here in Batangas, specifically Tanawan, Batangas, in Barangay Wawa. Kasi may nabalitaan tayo na masarap na kainan doon. Let's go! So from here, we're turning left. Ito rin yung way papunta dun sa J Castle and dun sa The Vineyard here in Tanawan.
So again, meron tayong natagpuan na masarap na kainan dito sa Barangay Wawa, Tanawan, Batangas. Tagpuan. Yung area. So alfresco dining siya. Alfresco dining sa harap ng lawa ng Taal. Isn't it wonderful to eat or dine na nandito ka sa tabi ng lawa ng Taal? Ganito kalakas yung hangin, ganito ka-presko, and ganito kaganda ang view. Try to visit Tagpuan here at Barangay Wawa, Tanawan, Batangas.
So we tried out their inihaw in bilao with some steamed veggies and salted egg. And additional yung binagoong talong and the lechon kawali. So disclaimer lang po, no, I'm not a food vlogger and I don't do reviews. Just wanted to show yung mga pinupuntahan, pinapasyalan ko. And so from where I am or where we are, pinaliparan natin yung Taal Volcano. So hindi ko lang napalapit yung drone kasi medyo malayo siya. I tried zooming na lang. So this is the view of Taal Volcano. So from here, this ends for today's video with Kulot na Tambay. See you again on my next video. Kulot out!